Hi, this is Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I have an easy pear jam recipe for you. It is a no-cook freezer jam recipe. The only thing you have to heat up is the pectin, and that's it. So let's get started, and I'll show you how easy it is to make.
First, we'll need some pears and some lemon juice, some sugar, and finally some pectin, and I like Sure Gel. And first, we'll take our pears and we will peel them and slice them in half and core them. And I like to use my melon baller to take the cores of the pears out. Works really quick and easy. And then I just go along the stem to take that out too. Then we just want to finely chop the pears. So you don't want huge pieces, you want finely chopped pieces. And once you have it to this point, we're going to add it to a large bowl. We'll just slide them on in and add our sugar as well as the lemon juice. And then we're just going to give it a good stir. We want to moisten all the sugar. Just keep stirring until it looks like this. And then you're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes. And once the 10 minutes is up, you're going to take some water with your Sure Gel or pectin of your choice, and we're going to mix it and heat it. Once it comes to a boil, you'll boil it for 1 minute, and then it's ready to add to the pears and the sugar mixture. So we'll just pour that in, and now you want to stir it until all the sugar is dissolved. It takes about 3 minutes, and then you just want to put it into clean freezer containers. And here I have some just square freezer containers, and just load it up and leave a little bit of headspace and just seal them up and put them in the freezer. And that's it. That's all there is to making this yummy and easy pear freezer jam recipe. If you like this recipe, I would love to have you subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.